Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to create a group in Viber. Go to the Viber app from your apps list. Tap on the new message icon from the bottom right corner. In the first option you can see new group. Tap on this. Now select the person whom you want to add in your group. After that, tap on the right symbol from the top right corner. Your group is now created. You can add more person in this group from here. If you want to rename this group, just tap here. Tap on group name. Enter the group name here. Then tap on save. Your group name has changed. You can set a photo for this group from here. You can take a photo or you can choose a photo from your gallery. So that is how you can create a group in Viber. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.